So on today's tutorial, I'll be talking about eyebrow mistakes and how to avoid them. Number one is not brushing out your eyebrows. Number two is using a blunt pencil to draw your eyebrows. Number three is using too dark or too light pencil for your eyebrow. Number four is shading your eyebrows. Number five is making thick stroke from beginning to the end of your eyebrows using too light concealer to conceal your brows. All right, so now I'll be telling you what you should do instead. Okay, use a brow gel or your edge control to brush out your eyebrows. After that, use a mattifying powder to press in to control oil. All right, using a sharp pencil to draw your eyebrows, not too dark. And filling your brows for it to look natural. Make a light stroke at the beginning of your brows for it to look natural. Filling your brows. Use a concealer that is one shade lighter than your skin tone to conceal your eyebrows. Use a blending brush to blend out your concealer. And that is all for that. I hope you find this video very helpful. For more video like this, kindly subscribe, share, comment, like. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.